NASA spots interstellar comet 3I/Atlas racing through our solar system. Space news update. Mysterious interstellar visitor 3I/Atlas, journeying from the galactic center. NASA spots interstellar comet 3I/Atlas racing through our solar system. Space news update. Imagine a celestial visitor from the farthest reaches of our galaxy, traveling through the vast expanse of interstellar space, and suddenly appearing in our own cosmic backyard. This is exactly what happened on July 1, when the NASA-funded Atlas Survey telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, first spotted a comet that originated from outside our solar system. But here's where it gets fascinating. This interstellar comet, officially named 3I/Atlas, has been making its way through our solar system, and astronomers are eager to learn more about its size, physical properties, and behavior. The comet is currently about 420 million miles away, arriving from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, and is expected to remain at a safe distance from Earth, at least 1.6 astronomical units away. For those who may not be familiar with astronomical units, 1 is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, which is about 93 million miles or 149.6 million kilometers. So, 1.60 is roughly 150 million miles or 240 million kilometers. As the comet continues its journey, it will reach its closest approach to the Sun around October 30th, at a distance of 1.40, just inside the orbit of Mars. But what's really interesting is that 3I/Atlas will remain visible to ground-based telescopes through September, after which it will pass too close to the Sun to observe. However, it's expected to reappear on the other side of the Sun by early December, allowing astronomers to resume their observations and learn even more about this mysterious visitor. And this is the part most people miss, the fact that this comet has been traveling through interstellar space for millions of years, and its arrival in our solar system provides a unique opportunity for scientists to study the composition and properties of celestial objects from other star systems. But here's the question: what can we learn from this interstellar comet, and how can it help us better understand the formation and evolution of our own solar system? Some might argue that the discovery of 3I/Atlas is a game-changer for the field of astrobiology, as it could provide insights into the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe. Others might say that it's just a rare celestial event, and its significance should not be overstated. So, we want to hear from you. What do you think about the discovery of 3I/Atlas? And what implications do you think it has for our understanding of the universe? Do you think it's a significant finding, or just a fascinating anomaly? Let us know in the comments. As astronomers continue to study 3I/Atlas, they will be gathering more data on its size, shape, and composition, which will help us better understand the origins of this interstellar comet and its place in the grand scheme of our solar system. The discovery of 3I/Atlas is a reminder that there's still so much to explore and discover in our universe, and that the study of celestial objects like comets can reveal new and exciting insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. Mysterious interstellar visitor 3I/Atlas, journeying from the galactic center. Strap in, space enthusiasts, we're about to host a cosmic traveler that journeyed from the very heart of our galaxy. Astronomers have officially confirmed that the mysterious object currently zipping through our solar system originated from interstellar space, making it only the third such visitor ever recorded. Initially dubbed the 11PL3Z, this celestial nomad now carries the distinguished title 3I/Atlas, https://futurism.com/interstellar-object-detected-center-solar-system. That I is crucial. It stands for interstellar, a label reserved for objects born beyond our sun's influence. Right now, NASA reports, https://science.nasa.gov/blog/planetary-defense/2025/07/02/NASA-discovers-interstellar-comet-moving-through-system. It's navigating the space between Jupiter and the asteroid belt, approximately 416 million miles from the Sun. To visualize that staggering distance, imagine lining up 4.5 Earths back-to-back from the Sun. But here's where your jaw might drop. 3I/Atlas is barreling toward our inner solar system at a blistering 130,000 miles per hour. As Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb vividly described, https://avi-loeb.medium.com/welcoming-a-new-interstellar-object-a11pi3z-0b01f1cb4fbc, that's like 1,000 times over highway speed limits. Paul Chodas, who leads NASA's Near-Earth Object Studies team, emphasized to the New York Times, https://www.newyorktimes.com/2025/07/026/0/11pi3z.html, this thing is traveling alarmingly fast. Now, the plot thickens. When scientists traced its path backward, they made a spine-tingling discovery: it appears to originate from the galactic center. We know it came from another star system, Chodas revealed, but pinpointing which one? That remains a total mystery. Let's address the cosmic elephant in the room. 3I/Atlas is only the third confirmed interstellar guest. 3 denotes this milestone. The first was the famously cigar-shaped Oumuamua, https://futurism.com/the-byte/Oumuamua-not-alien-gas, in 2017, followed by Comet Borisov, which captivated observers by dramatically disintegrating. https://www.newyorktimes.com/2020/04/07/science/comet-borisov-break-up.html, in 2020. Provisional analysis suggests 3I/Atlas is also a comet, making it just the second known rogue comet ever spotted. But here's what most people miss: confirming its interstellar pedigree took a global detective effort. An Atlas telescope in Chile first flagged it as a potential asteroid. Within days, over 100 global observations poured in, including hints of comet-like behavior. This data deluge allowed the International Astronomical Union and NASA to jointly certify it as interstellar. Why the certainty? As Chodas explained, its speed is simply too extreme for a native solar system object. Now, let's tackle the controversy: how did it get here? The prevailing theory, per the NYT, is that it formed as a comet around an alien star before a gravitational kick, perhaps from a passing star. https://futurism.com/passing-star-fling-earth, catapulted it into the void. But the real debate centers on its size. Early estimates suggested a 12-mile wide asteroid, but since it's a comet, everything changes. Comets glow by releasing gas and dust, called a coma, when heated by sunlight, creating a halo that dwarfs their actual core. Borisov's coma, for instance, stretched 100,000 miles, https://news.yale.edu/2019/11/26/new-image-offers-close-view-interstellar-comet, 14 times wider than Earth. As Chodas cautioned, you can't judge the solid object's size by its brightness. We simply don't know its true scale yet. Here's the thrilling upside: unlike fleeting past visitors, remember Oumuamua's vanishing act, we'll have months to study this wanderer. It should remain visible through large telescopes well into next year. NASA confirms its closest solar approach will be around October 30th, skimming 130 million miles from the Sun, closer than Mars orbits. So we turn to you, dear readers: could this visitor carry secrets about alien planetary systems? Or is its origin story even wilder than we've imagined? Sound off in the comments. We're dying to hear your theories about our ghostly guest from the galactic core.